For our third and final IXL example, we're going to look at 6x minus 10y equals negative 600. So again, start by finding your x-intercept. So 6x minus 10 times 0 for the y equals negative 600. Solving again, that term goes to 0, so 6x by itself equals negative 600. And we'll divide both sides by 6 to find that x equals negative 100. That seems awfully, in this case, small, but like a larger number that wouldn't typically fit on our graphs, because normally we are looking at like a 10 by 10 grid. But if you come over to the IXL graph to plot our x-intercept at negative 100, you'll notice that it is actually right here, because in this case, they are scaling the x-axis and the y-axis. You see they're going up by 20s, but every hash mark is actually representative of 10. So just take note that IXL is going to rescale your graph according to where the x and y intercepts should lie. So if you get something large, that's not necessarily wrong. If you come over and take a peek at what's going over on the coordinate plane, you might see that the numbers you found definitely fit within it. So let's go ahead and see what happens with our y-intercept. So we've got 6 times 0, because we're finding the y-intercept, minus 10y equals negative 600. Again, this goes to 0, but we have to be careful because it should be negative 10y, since it was subtraction in between the x and the y terms. So we got to divide by negative 10 on both sides. And we get y equals, in this case, positive 60. And again, if we come back over to the graph, right there it is, positive 60. We'll go ahead and plot that point. It draws the line in right for us and hit submit, check our work. And again, great job.